Hamilton, they can't touch me, Hamilton. Hamilton, they can't touch me, Hamilton. Bedtime, I ain't never had a bedtime. Headline, boy, you looking at a headline. Hamilton, they can't touch me, Hamilton. Hamilton,
across the 50, Kellen to the 40. He's going to outrace this defense. Kellen Moore, touchdown, 60.
I say, yo, see Hammer, out the slammer. I say, free for real. Feel my town riding through Atlanta. Jesus took the wheel. I can't keep the truth inside of me. I gotta squeal. Some folk trust in God just cause the world's a dollar bill. Oh man, he gon' tuck back down and seal the deal. Y'all playing. Sorry, I can't understand the word that y'all saying. Big boss moves, never heard of small plans. I just want some acres. I come from a small land. Not for real, itty bitty. Used to be down bad, boy. Now I'm up like Diddy. Got a new wave and we surfing through the city. Crazy walk it with me, shining bright. We got it lit it like sheesh. Out the dog pound, we done made it off the leash. Making sure the people comprehend like a bitch. Young Georgia boy coming straight up out the east. Grinding cause my family got a feast. Hamilton, they can't touch me, Hamilton. Hamilton, they can't touch me, Hamilton. Bedtime, I ain't never